Hi, it's Juliet from WTI. Are you looking for a truly oversized t-shirt? That's what I was looking for. I find sometimes when you buy a large t-shirt, it's not really that large and you end up with just like a regular fitting t-shirt. So not so with this t-shirt. I really like the neutral color and I like that it is truly very large and oversized. One thing I also like about this is the design. The lettering is actually part of the fabric. It's not like it is stuck on, so it's going to begin to peel or crack. Not so with this. I've washed it a number of times and it is still super soft and it's just so comfortable. It's one of those t-shirts that you just kind of want to keep wearing around and it just seems to get softer with each wash. It doesn't get like crinkly like some other t-shirts. So this is a super nice oversized t-shirt. I've worn it for exercising, I wear it around the house to run errands, so a lot of different situations, but the main point is how comfortable it is, and it does not have a label in the back to scratch your neck. So if you're looking for a truly oversized t-shirt that's super comfortable, super soft, get this, and that's my point of view.